We do outsource some things. Obviously, we can't make everything for every project. Some of the things that we will offer, will come from our suppliers. I will say we're very tightly integrated with our supply chain and our manufacturing partners. So our whole purpose and our whole approach is to be a single source OEM full service provider to you as a customer. If that means that we have to go contract something, a specialty product, then we will do that. But at the end of the day, we're responsible and accountable for how your project ends up and what we offer you. So I hope I answered the question there. I will add one other thing. Almost everything that we provide is manufactured in the US. There's some things like electronics, raw materials, components that do come from overseas, like Dominic said. But bag houses, ductwork, equipment, that stuff is all being made in the US. We are in compliance with contracts, federal government contracts, which have, buy USA clauses, all that kind of stuff. So, we're based in the US and almost everything that we sell is coming from the US.